Hi everyone, it's Tiffany. Welcome back to my channel. LEGO announced today that the world of Super Mario and LEGO are expanded even more with the addition of 10 new expansion packs. In addition to that, there will also be mystery packs featuring one buildable character, which include villains. All of the retail info will be on my blog at playliverepeat.com. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, follow me on social media, and all that jazz. Let's get started. Each expansion set is a course that Electronic Super Mario can travel through in order to complete to get to the next level. In addition to the expansion sets, there will also be a blind bag collection featuring 10 villains. The mystery packs will include buildable villain that you can build via the free app. Let's begin with the Super Mario Guarded Fortress expansion set. This includes a large piranha plant and even a giant Koopa. Then there is the Desert Pokey expansion set. I'm so happy we have that little gopher guy. I actually used to call this the cactus totem pole when I was a kid. Whenever it used to come apart, it used to drive me nuts. Then we have Whomp's Lava Trouble expansion set. Now you'll notice that there's different touch points where Electronic Mario has to step in order to react. And he has this little LCD screen on his chest, and you're gonna see all the different reactions, which I think is pretty awesome. Plus I love all the clicking. I hope that's real. Love that tactile sound, click, click, click. We have the Piranha Plant Power Slide. You could actually see Mario is connected to some kind of like seat, and he can move up and down and slide down the Piranha Plant slide. Then we have the Boomerbill Barrage expansion set. Mario's House and Yoshi expansion set. I just love this set. Check out that adorable hammock and how Mario is just chilling on it. He is sleeping. He's like, I'm done. I need a break after going through all of these levels. Then there's the Toad's Treasure Hunt expansion set. This is a really cute set just to have for display and as a great backdrop. Just a really cute level for Mario to travel through. Then we have Bowser's Castle, the boss battle expansion set. Now this is an epic set, it includes an actual boss, which is Bowser. This expansion pack is chock full of last level elements, but I think you're gonna need to add in some expansions, like the Thwomp Womp or even King Boo, to really get the full effect. Now the next two sets, which I just mentioned, are actually only available at select retailers. And once I know more of when they're gonna be coming out, I'll let you know. We have the Super Mario Thwomp Drop expansion set and Super Mario's King Boo and Haunted Yard expansion set. I love King Boo. Now the character packs are going to be 10 in all, and you're going to be able to get one mystery figure that you're going to put together. Now, I don't mean Lego mini mystery figure, I mean a character build. Now, these character builds are going to be aided with the use of the free app. I'm sure they're going to include some kind of instructions, but I suggest you use the app because it's free and why not? It's fun to mix technology and Lego. You're going to be able to get either the Paragoomba, Fuzzy, Spiny, Buzzy Beetle, Bullet Bill, Bomb-Omb, Eep Cheep, Blooper, Urchin, or Peepa. Now, I would not mind getting a bunch of Bullet Bill duplicates. I totally love him. He's one of my favorite characters. I think the blind bags are a great way to build up your world and use the free app to help build each character. And I honestly feel that Lego minifigures would have been a great addition to this collection, but after looking at the expansion sets, they really do not fit. Jonathan Benink, the digital design lead on Lego Super Mario, and his team brought this whole world of Super Mario to life, allowing a whole new way to play with Lego. Not only are you building, but your imagination is running wild and giving Super Mario life in brick form. So Lego minifigures, although they're awesome and they are one of my favorite things to collect, they really don't fit in this collection. Now, what do you think of the new expansion sets and the announcement of the mystery packs? Are you totally psyched? Are you happy that we now have power-up packs? We have the starter pack. The world of Super Mario has officially come to life in Lego form. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thank you so much to Lego, yet again, for sending me this information. I love waking up to these emails. They really brighten my day. My kids are super pumped. We are super excited for Super Mario. Bring it on. Everything's going to be available August 1. Let's get this party started. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and Facebook. Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day.